Bill Gates' ex-wife, Melinda Gates, nearly snatched everything away from him except his insane car collection. With a net worth exceeding $131.6 billion, why wouldn't the billionaire have all of the most expensive and unique cars? So, how much does Bill Gates actually spend on luxury cars? And does each car in his collection have a unique purpose? Let's find out. One of the most incredible cars in his collection is the Porsche Taycan. As the world is switching to electric cars, Bill Gates has also decided to do so with his brand new Porsche Taycan. The car is listed as one of the most expensive and unique cars in the world. The initial cost of the car is $150,000, and there are many amazing features that the car displays. It is an all-electric vehicle, and the car is also said to be one of the fastest cars in the world that can speed up from 0 to 100 in just 3 seconds. Isn't that amazing? Now, you might be wondering if there are any similar unique cars. Well, there is a huge list, and the amazing cars owned by the billionaire are coming up in today's video. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. We are back with another hot topic, and in today's video, we are going to give you an inside look of Bill Gates' latest insane car collection. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Entrepreneur and businessman Bill Gates was born on October 28, 1955. Bill and his partner Paul Allen founded and built the world's largest software business, Microsoft, through technological innovation, keen business strategy, and aggressive business tactics. In the process, Gates became one of the richest men in the world. With billions of dollars in his pockets, Bill has many hobbies, and one of them is growing collections of unique items, including cars. The garage at his magnificent mansion can accommodate 23 cars. His favorite one might be his Porsche because he once said, "You know, I just got a Porsche Taycan, which is an electric car, and I have to say, it's a premium priced car, but yeah, it is very, very cool." Another Porsche that Bill owns is a Porsche 959 Sports, and the car was among the most technologically advanced cars in the world at the time of its launch. The car comes with a twin-turbo flat-6 engine under the hood that generated 444 horsepower and 500 Nm. It was also the fastest car of its time as it could accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 4 seconds. An amazing fact about this car is that only 337 units were manufactured worldwide, and Bill Gates owns one of them. So guys, it's no secret that Bill Gates loves his Porsches, but what other big brands grace his garage? You are about to find out next in this video, so make sure to watch until the end for all the details. Another favorite car brand of his is Ferrari, and he bought many of those, including a Ferrari 348. The car comes with an initial price tag of $168,000. The car is very special to the brand itself because it's the last car Enzo Ferrari developed before his death. After Bill Gates spun it into sand, the car came to be known as the Dune Buggy. It is a 2-seater car and displays features very much similar to sports cars. Additionally, the car comes with a top speed of 275 km per hour. Bill Gates is also a fan of the Ford Focus, and he has often been seen spotted going to work in this luxurious car. Ford Focus is a decent car and it's the right choice for daily work use. Ford is not available in many countries, and the brand is considered to be one of the top car manufacturing brands. Bill also owns some models of Teslas, including a Tesla Model X, which is one of the most exotic cars and the best-selling electric car in the world right now. The Tesla Model X is famous for its falcon wing doors. Other than that, Bill Gates has been spotted multiple times driving a Mercedes S-Class and a BMW 7 Series. Bill Gates knows where to spend his fortune. His car collection is filled with various fancy luxuries and all-electric cars. So this was just a peek into the car collection of the world's wealthiest man. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about Bill Gates' amazing car collection? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.